So you've just received your shower pack. Take off the lid, your thumb and bottom finger, squeeze and pull, and plop it into the applicator. It's time for our first shower. So it turns out that the boiler is broken and we have no hot water. So forgive me as I shiver through the rest of this video. So remember, the perfect height is when you first load the Bob bar for your wash. If you've clicked it, just make sure it's right back to the bottom between the wiper seal and the bristles.
Step 1, wet your body. Right. Step 2, wet Bob. Step 3, gentle motions to begin foaming. Bob foams best with circular motions. For your very first wash, we recommend washing for about 1 to 2 minutes just to work the bar to take off the first layer of soap.
Max, can I have a cup of tea? I'm freezing.